Hey, what's up, guys? Today I have a special surprise for you. I am coming to you from North Carolina with my girl Tana, and I'm going to show you what she does and how she does it. Okay, so stick around for this.
Hold up.
Alright guys, so I didn't just pick somebody at random to do a video with. Tana is actually one of my best friends, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to see one of the reasons why. So I'll let you go ahead and enjoy. Okay, so who's this?
This is Greta. She is a 2004, which sounds old, but it's actually very new for an Airstream here at Airstream Facelift. She's a 21-foot international, and she is in our old Hollywood glam inspired design. She's black and white and pink, and she has this beautiful rose gold accents. So let's head inside and see. So we've done, I think this unit is 14 or so units over the last 2 years. And this one is actually completely finished, as you can see, and she's sold. So she's headed to Arizona in the next couple of weeks. It'll be sad for me to see this one go.
So what advice would you give someone who was looking to be in an Airstream full-time?
So my best piece of advice for someone who wants to live in an Airstream full-time is to make sure it feels like home. Bring in the comforts of home that you enjoy in your space currently. If that's coffee, like me, if it's books, if it's a reading nook, whatever it is, you want to make sure that you bring it in to your home on the road. Oh, of course, you want to bring in your design. I prefer having my wallpapers and my pillows and all the textiles. But whatever you do, make sure that you make your space feel beautiful and something that you want to come home to every single day.
Okay, so tell me about this little cutie patootie.
I know, she's so tiny. She is our Bambi. Her name is Star, and she is a 2011, so she's like brand new to me. And she is in a bohemian theme. Her accent color is also a light green, more of a sage green, and lots of like neutral tones as well. So we can head inside. We might have to share turns though. She's quite tiny at 16 feet. So I always get my inspiration with wallpaper. It's something that I never expected would be my favorite part of design, but in Airstreams, I don't have a lot of room for art, so the paper becomes the art and it becomes the inspiration for the whole design. I spend days looking for the perfect wallpapers for these units, and it's my favorite part to search for. This one is Emmeline. She's a 28 foot, she's a 1987, so she's one of our typical 80s, 90s units. And she is somewhere in the middle. So we've done painting, we've done cabinets, hardware, but we have a long way to go on this girl. Let's head inside and see. Going to be an industrial inspired design. Her accent color is going to be green, and she's going to have some really cool wallpaper, of course, and I'm excited to get her finished. She's been here for like maybe 8 or 9 months already, but I got her off of a lot. She hadn't been used in years and years, so there were a lot of underlying things we had to take care of with her, so she'll get there.
And then I see you went with the dark cabinets here.
Yes, I wanted something really dark. I almost went with black. We'll be using black in Brooklyn, but I went with this really, really dark gray, and there'll be a lot of black accents in this unit.
So tell me about your doors, because there's something special about all of the doors on your Airstreams.
Yes, so every single Airstream facelift gets a unique door that is designed to go along with the theme that's inside. So it will be like your first taste of what you're going to experience when you step into an Airstream facelift. This is what an Airstream door looks like before I get a hold of it. And then I'm sure you'll get to see some inspiration of what I end up with. So it's a fun part to be a little bit different. And when you're sitting outside in front of your Airstream, you've got that gorgeous door that is a conversation starter.
Now this is Rebecca. She didn't want to be on film because she's camera shy, but that is Tana's handy woman. Yes, handy woman. Like my Ivan, except she's a girl, you know? But she's shy like Ivan too. Anyway, her and Tana together, they cannot be stopped. I mean, come through, girl power. Come through.
My YouTube channel is Airstream Facelift, so that's pretty easy.
And you have a pretty big following on Facebook.
Yes, so I have a Facebook group as well that's called Airstream Facelift, and it's where I show what I'm doing to the units, first dibs on units that are for sale, where I'm finding the different products that I use in the units, how-tos, do-it-yourself stuff. So I share a lot of information in that group, and it's just called Airstream Facelift.
And you also have an Instagram.
Yes, so that is called Rad Studio Design, which is my company name, and you'll be able to find me there. I am not very good about keeping it up, but I will get better, I promise.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I will be bringing you more videos in the future with designers who are into doing Airstreams and tiny homes and RVs and all of that stuff. We want to show you what the ladies do. So make sure you come back and check us out for that. In the meantime, I will see you in the next video. Make sure you check out my other video over here, and I'll see you later, okay? I love you. Bye.
Hi, so, sorry. We've heard already said hi. Is that all right?
Yes.
What are you looking at?
I didn't hit record.
Oh my gosh!
I'm sorry. I'm a fight, Rebecca. Rebecca!
Stop hammering for a second.
2 seconds.
Hi. Did I interrupt something? I'm sorry.
We got you hammering away.
I'm sorry. Please don't put this on camera.
Somebody has to work around here, right?
I know. I was like, oh, I'm sorry.
Alrighty guys, it is shout out time, and I got some special shout outs for Mary B, Francesca Y, Tess Mackey, Erica Johnson, Chrisanna Day, and Michelle Live and in Color. I love you all. Thank you to all of my co-stars. Guess what? That other video for some reason went viral. I don't know why, but anyway, let's try to make the rest of them go viral. Have a great day. Let another video play. I love you. Bye.